Today we're going to be checking out our oversized folding camping chair.
Our oversized camping folding chair is going to be 25.2 inches long, 36.61 inches wide, and 39.37 inches high, and it's only going to weigh a total of 13.2 pounds. It also includes a large seat area with 600 by 300 D padded Oxford fabric and a padded armrest to ensure comfort of this chair. The frame is going to include a hammer-tone powder coating to prevent corrosion and fading. The sturdy steel frame construction can support up to 450 pounds. It also includes a durable mesh cup holder and armrest at the perfect height, which is going to allow you to relax in comfort. It also has a side storage pocket that you can put a drink or multiple drinks in. The folding camping chair is easy to set up and fold in seconds. It collapses down to just 9 inches by 39 inches and weighs only 13.2 pounds that can be stored almost anywhere.
We believe that getting out into nature shouldn't be difficult or complicated. That's why we've designed our ultralight, portable, high-back folding camping chair. With an aviation-grade aluminum alloy frame and a breathable mesh seat, the entire chair weighs in at just 3.5 pounds and folds into an incredibly compact carry bag. The chair itself is designed with a high back for greater postural support and durable Oxford cloth with ripstop, nylon, and breathable mesh to keep you cool and ventilated wherever your adventures take you. Stop struggling with heavy, complicated equipment and enjoy lightweight gear that's comfortable and sets up in minutes with HiderHike.